Alright, you are most welcome. In this video I'm going to show the meaning of the sharp and flat. Alright, and I'm also going to show you some of the white notes which you can call a sharp or a flat, which can be qualified to be a flat or a sharp by the meaning of the word sharp and flat. Okay, and however, all black notes are either sharp or flat, and this is because of the arrangement of the notes on the piano, as we are going to see. All right, so let us start with sharp and flat, then we go to the white notes. Okay, so when I say sharp means above and flat means below. So with that knowledge, we can apply it to any of the notes. Remember our 12 notes from C to A, right? This is, let me use my middle here. This is C, D, this is C, D, E, F, G, A, B. From C to B, right? Or you can start from A, then you can start from A, you end at G. All right, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is also A, B, C, D, E, F, G, repeating themselves. Those, if you missed that lesson about the names of notes, I will just put the link in this video description below. Okay, you can check if you missed it. All right, so now if we know the names, right? Now we are going to just to see where the sharp lies and then the flat. Okay, so from that you can pick any note. This is C, this is C sharp, right? That means this note to qualify to be a C sharp, the sound is higher than the original C. You can hear the tone of the sound. Okay, with that knowledge now, this is C sharp because the sound is so sharp or high. All right, so this is D. We can call this one also a D flat because the D is sharper. This one is now again dull, right? So this is sharper than this. This one qualifies to be a D flat, whereas this one is now a D sharp. So with that knowledge, you go on adding on those black notes because all of them they lie in between the notes. Okay, and so with that knowledge, you can know a sharp and a flat note, as simple as that. And let me also show you some of the white notes which qualifies also to be a sharp, or you can name it as a sharp or a flat, right? You can give it a second name like that, but originally they have their names. Okay, right, so let us pick these notes here. So with any notes to qualify to be a sharp or a flat of a certain name, it should be nearby with a half step, right? And what I mean by a half step is just a gap between a different two notes. Okay, or the distance between any corresponding notes, right? From here to here, from C to C sharp, there is a half step. And when you combine two half steps, you get a whole step, right? So from here to here is a half step, from here to here is a half step. When I want to count a whole step, I just combine this half step, another half step. From here to here is a whole step. But we are going to use a half step. So anyway, it's a half step, right? Even from here to here, there is a distance between these notes. It's just a half step. It means the same thing. All right, so with that knowledge, let us just make any notes which are nearby, white ones, okay? So we can see that these notes here, they are near. This ones also, they are separated by half step. This one, they are same. With this one, they are the same, all right? So this is my B and C, right? B and C. Let us name this one in terms of sharp and flat with the knowledge you had, all right? This is B. I can call it a C flat because you can hear the sound. This one is too sharp, so when it is down of the C, we call it a C flat. So this one also qualifies to be a C flat, right? When I go to C and then I want to name it according to the B, I call it B sharp because here the tone is sharper than the original B. You can hear this one is a B, this one's C is too high, so you call it a B sharp because the tone here is sharper than the original B, right? Let us go to another note. These two here, they are also separated by a half step note, so C, D, E, and F, right? So E, I can also call it a F flat, right? Because here the tone, this F is so high than the E. I call it a F flat, right? And the same F also I can call it a E sharp because it is tone here is higher than the original E here. So this F here qualifies to be a E sharp because it is higher than the original E. Right, thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Remember to subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you.